TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Ina gukwanira sobot ko bwa bono ni manyitina kwego kirene mero brilliance kurutwatiganete ense ya munande dichinsa chinga buri chiga ngo kwarigania eritoganira kwemanya amaya century yobwekerano ichinsa echiga isato chia borobot ko bwatya mayewetera century yo mutandao bwekerero Facebook na bwega sensemo area ya YouTube Ensoko TV reteriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakarobo tukuba bono bosibwo gochengera emyaka 52 kurwensi ya Kenya yanyoreto bosibore monogerwe serikali Isaac Mwaura nigaerere meroberio yabekirwase gochengera ritkuria jamhuri abwankyo asegeti gechigosori kyanyayo aigase omucho Nairobi asomo yigoyura chikorawa no muraibwense Daktari William Samuel Ruto.
Kenya itainuka, Kenya itasimama, Kenya itanawiri kwa moja na uzalendo. Mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo. Je, wewe? Mimi ni Mkenya mzalendo daima. The government is pleased to inform the public that preparations for this year's Jamhuri Day celebrations are complete and Kenyans are invited to attend the national events at the Nyayo Stadium tomorrow, the Friday, the 12th of December 2025. The day marks the milestones that we have covered in fulfillment of our founding fathers' aspirations for a better Kenya, liberating ourselves from the yokes of poverty, disease, illiteracy, squalor, and idleness. Towards this cause, the Kenya Kwanza government, now broad-based government, is implementing a plethora of projects and programs across the country, with the aim of socially and economically empowering Kenyans of all walks of life, from all regions without fear of favor, as enshrined in Article 27 of our Constitution. The projects cast through all the pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, on top of which the national celebrations bring added advantage, boosting the region's infrastructural developments. These projects include affordable housing, last-mile electricity and internet connectivity, modern markets, education, schools, infrastructure, stadia, roads, as well as youth and empowerment and youth and women empowerment programs, to mention but a few. Through this year's Jamhuri Day thematic week that ran between Monday 8th and today 11th December 2025, under the theme Tourism, Wildlife, and Meetings, Incentives, Conferences, and Exhibitions, MICE, the country sought to reposition itself as a global tourism hub by strengthening its MICE competitiveness. This has been achieved through activities that buttressed Kenya's bidding capacity to host major events and promotion of our signature national events to global standards, causing attraction of major global conventions, international sports events, exhibitions, and creative festivals.
Kutigana na yo yabwatkeneri tukoriankyo tutambike wikase county ya Kisii magigayo muteneneri bwabasubati me county ya Kisii Doris Donya Bori kukwane nkwana yogosaro ku mwana munyaruka engana ya retiriliberera kurwa sebrai ao nigegati yabamenyi bo mucubo songo besokire na kogena mamincha nabo bakoraria oborimo igoro yengane yo akwanete na gusira esegi yaye yogotasara omwana omunyaruka tumanyaro musekirito Petwel Machini na roboti urwase obwagari.
Magega yengwana yomutino baba subati me county ya Kisii Muskedonya Doris Bori kurete brengeri agati ya menyina wigabarai me county ya Kisii nense ya Kenya igoro yogosaruko mwana munyaruka
December Kisii tunatairisha wasichana ndio wasikue hapa sasa tu wanawaishwa hii December wanatairisha. Unaona namna gani?
What nonsense?
Wanakata.
So that nonsense still happens in Kisii.
Wasichana wanakata hii December hii. Wengine watawashakata wanapona.
Kama mama county. Try as much as possible. Hiyo ujinga is kindly whatever you can do. Kama wewe ni mtu unasimamia kutayarisha wasichana, siku tutakupata, tutakutayarisha kama
igatia umenye kurwase county ya Kisii nigoro chikerero besokire na kwegerenkwa na gendrete utara semetandao igoro yege koru ikikogo sauro mwana munyaruka
Tonya nikitoi kovia Tonya katika Kisii county nzima yeye anakataa maneno ya kutahiri watoto wa kike.
Jambo la kutahiri wasichana hilo ni jambo ambalo lilikataliwa tangia kitambo. Hata mkubwa wetu ambaye ni Doris Donya Toto pia yeye alisema kwamba mambo ya kutahiri wanawake hakuna.
Nami kama mama nimekataa hiyo mambo ya kuharibia mwenzetu jina. Huyo ni mheshimiwa wetu. Tunamheshimu kama mama mkuu katika Kisii na anapotoa ushauri nasi tufuate huo ushauri juu yeye ndio mkubwa wetu. Tulimchagua tukamweka hapo. So akitupea ushauri tufuate huo ushauri.
Tonya anakataanga. Anasema hata kwanza ukipatikana unatahiri msichana unafaa kuchukuliwa kotini. Hiyo ni kuharibu nchini. Asibo kina mama? Nivo. Sinivo.
Kuringana na Bernard Nyamwaro oyo mobwa bagerubo bwene bwa mwanya bantu nigonera gikirie bali babwateganga yo kumusaria Muskedonya Erieta.
Na ningependa kujumuika na wamama hawa pamoja na wazee kwa yale ambayo wamezungumza kuhusu tohara katika kaunti ama jimbo la Kisii. Ninataka kushikamana pamoja na wao kusema ya kwamba kuna vikaragosi, kuna wajeuri, kuna wakora ambao wamejitokeza kutumia clip ambayo Mheshimiwa Donya alifanya juzi ikilaumu mtu yeyote, mwananchi yeyote kutoka Kisii na Kenya nzima ya kwamba akipatikana akifanya tohara ya wasichana ama mtoto msichana aweze kushikwa na kuhukumiwa. Harambe
Tonya.
Igati yabo nigo bamukire bali babwateganga yo kuriye kirogo butiga siasa sengana yo gutasarwa ko mwana munyaruka.
Wacha tuache hiyo maneno ya kupisana. Ukitafuta kiti tafuta kwa sera yako, tafuta kwa heshima ili nasi tukupee hiyo kura kulingana vile tulipea huyo mama Donya.
Wale wanatafuta kura ya Tonya, watu watafute sera kwa sisi kina mama na kina wasee. Watafute kura si ya kuharibu. Na Kenya ya sasa imerevuka. Hata mkiharibu yeye nchina hatutaki.
Kama wanawake wengine ambao wanataka kama women rep na vitu zingine hapa wanataka viti, nawaomba nyinyi wote wacheni kumharibia mwanamke mwenzetu ama mheshimiwa wetu Doris Donya Toto jina kwamba anataka wanawake wafanye nini?
Asabona bayiro koboko ekorogi watasaru mwana munyaruka na kugikiria abakoge na mamincha nege koruikyo.
Sasa ule ujumbe aliutoa pale ni ujumbe ulikuwa wa kuhamasisha watu wetu wa Kisii haswa na wa Kenya kwa jumla wasiwahi jaribu tendo la kuwatahiri wanawake ama wasichana wetu. Kwa hivyo ni kutoa onyo kubwa sana na kali sana kwa wale wote ambao wamechukulia hilo swala na kulibadilisha kuwa jambo lingine tofauti na kuanza kutoa maneno ambayo yafai kwa minajili ya kujinufaisha kisiasa.
Ripoti ya Ensoko TV kuraiga Mochobo Songo Nchempethuel Machin.
Biamono musekit Pethuel Machin asoroboti urwo ase obwemi mona sense muyenderi tukulia rero ni gabana bari bayiboretwe namagorabo karinga gete gucheme gusomu chando manyekaino buna club futa bachengeire okugwenigwa kwegati yabana abo banyorero okugwenigwa aseka kemyaka 5 nabo igo bari bagendera tukonyora obubweni gukwana imehi nyagitari ya KTRH bakubwatana neri shirika rya Hopeworks nigo wayananiro boseme guchiase abayiboli abo bwate abana bari no muchando yo bwa magoro kuringaka anene mono asebasabire balia bakoibura abana bari no muchando yo gwesokya na gutarira clinic ekyo ime ya KTRH erikwegwa oboseme nabo igo bubweni bwa bana abo.
Itukulia rero nige nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital yatwaro morobelio bogo chengera bene gati abana abo banyarete ko baba kuiburwa babwata magoro aringagete go chaime e condition imanyikanete buna club food abo banyare ko baba konyora obubweni asegeka kiemyaka ene go ikarero.
Leo tuko hapa kusherekea watoto ambao wamemaliza matibabu ya miaka 5 na ni maombi yetu kwamba vile wazazi hao wametia bidii na wale wengine ambao wako na watoto wadogo pia mtie bidii ili hawa watoto wakaweze kupona. Kwa hivyo club food ni shida ambayo mtoto anasaliwa nayo, sio urahana, sio uchawi, ni condition vile mtoto amesaliwa tumboni, vile alilala tumboni, lakini natibiwa na matibabu yake inapatikana hapa ABDK Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital. Hapo ukikuja kila siku ya Alhamisi utapata kusaidiwa. Club food no mochando tutamaitige konyoreta lakini nkogweni gure maretire ntobwate stage isato club food ekogwenigu litanga ni umwana ni gakobarwe plaster uramburu na magorari ekera koramburwa plaster ni yegosira magorari agochakire wiki tukolia Ramisi igo clinic yitege kobakira Ramisi nekero mwibori achiro umwana osibiriki wiki isato inye okogoro kuri kwarambuka.
Igo ni garuro gochika gochasa baibali ababwata abana babwato muchando buno yoiga babe bakoyitarire nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital elibanyare ko baba konyora obolingoria boisaine na nene mono kwegwa obobweni abwasate bire buna niga abana bali bale nekegoli kerense ye myaka 5 bako baba kwegwa obobweni abwabosa kolende bali bale gwetania ne myaka 5 nigo bagane iliko baba gwakanera eliko baba konyora surgery.
Hopeworks inaliri gotokonya chi plaster. Hopeworks nere gotwa ibikoro tobiria bana bakubeka. Igo program yeteri wakane rubesa. Kibeso moiboli yakoru ne transport iliyo kolina koruka na chiriwo cha wakana list. Clinic kiora are mwana nde bwens. Obwato mochando ya sekenyorabu morete. Kero keno mwana naro otagwene tuwo manene. Ekera chire enchiranire toko morigeri naro libaga onyore libaga usekijabe usenya bondo na arogenda kugwenigura kini enyore buna ekera abeiro monene kibesa nchiro kuru ekera aromokeiga mfree
ngwakera abanyagitari baitombia mono nje buno muibori na chagete e clinic ekero mwana arenge 4 days and now we are 4 years, we have 1 year to go, lakini tumeona mabadiliko, watoto wametibiwa, wamekuwa vizuri na tunashukuru sana.
Tobasa kororo yo mino ochandege tore senkari obisato mwana nyomba omotige mutarere totarerane tore manienga okonyoro mwana okogoro koringa gete gosama goronsi gosoko boko gosenonya ne gete kyo magongo ebitali ebikone gosobutali omweli bwobogima tobaraye gochaga ga Kisii and Teaching Referral banyare konyoro bobwenya.
Oigo nige gati abateneri kurwa sekiombe kia Hopeworks kia berege kubwaterana ne nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital erikwene kia bunanko babale bakwena nobo konyi gochia saba iboli abako baba goikamye nyagitari eyo abo bale nabana babwate omochando o club food eribabe bako balingolia mapema na kwena kia bunanko babale bakonyora obobweni abo bwenerete eribabe bago kina buna bana bande.
We have been in the country for about 20 years. Our main business has been treating club foot, but recently we've also been raising awareness on other disabilities that affect children as well. Our partners and we would really love to serve all the children. As you have seen today, we have a big crowd of children, and we are really trying to reduce the number of disabilities affecting these children, not only with clubfoot, because clubfoot is something that has really not been treated over the years. A lot of people don't know about clubfoot. So whenever you see a child with other disabilities, there is a likelihood the child also has clubfoot.
Rwa enyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital ime county ya Kisii, Elietaria Nemausa, Caroline.
Gotina na roboti urukuru ase county ya Kisii rwaliganituwe no musekito Caroline Mausa omonogeri gwekiumbe kiaboro kibanate ase urosegerwa Nyamira Evans Obiri nigasokire na komochi serikali ase gotarika boro keba JSS bwikiranu nonya konye bare ase konda kaukona kurwabisia imi county ya Nyamira Obiri nigaborire serikali kubeko kugania kwa boro kiabusio na gotiga kuba engeria yense tomonyero musekito Steven Nyarike Mbunde na roboti urukuru ase county ya Nyamira.
To get the total value of DGT seats.
Maiga yekiombe gyokorika bari mu gya TSC gochakyo moroberi gwokorika boro kyabaya asekorende batetiri bagaritangani asabari mwabo barengense ya ekonda ba CSS nigo monogeri bwekiombe gyokugera bari mu kyanati urosagerwa Nyamira Evans Obiri amochiriye getambo kirekyo
serikali through the Service Commission ya temire kulika bali sana na batana kulikunga kiende ni na batoko serikali okomokonga ya kolira asilia na ende yake ka confirm abali man on permanent, especially the junior school teachers, lakini emejana tuaro nene ringa ki abali mu abali getwe on internship yani seconda it was expected in Angola to the permanent in this financial year. The green to kill communicate to annual abali mayaba, but it was confirmed on the permanent and the pension of basis.
Obiri nigekerekyo atebirenga abarimu nigo bakonyore ngerianse yetarigo ikirania na magani yabo
abarimu ekere bakosoma ibakwire kibese kiringa Sare University uzo sabo mwalimu asomere ku primary paka high school baka university is a lot of money. Ekero waka no mwalimu sector tebe singemero singe combination ibe kiri combination ibe ko sembe meronge ibe kwama chama na kona chwa una nande taxation ya beri go Kenya chiana juguika go gaja usana kiri combination bono chibese jinkia komba nyomba nkiaragerera nkiakore ibintu binde
nigasemiria serikali nka konanga abarimu bari bakure na bari abakore meremo nigama bagabo abwenze kwewari bagaritangani gocha abarimu ba internship
ono serikali njeta kasama baga a replacement yani abarimu bari baritaye bose barure service ko teresama kwe kuna makwe yale so ndori ori sign yochire ande jiro bari ndebe ngao abari mbara government ko replace one abage ko replace angabona amabagaya bari replacement igare kora abari internship
nigasabire nka abari mu ba CSS babwenerete gwanjirana no burayi bororora se comprehensive schools na gutwara okwiwanana
mwandi mazo teneleta abari mu ababonzi nabeko yareka ngateko gosome school for 5 and 6 lakini ero manene school mtu abwate amangana igakire asengenjo yogo taiwanana usentebe incitement yako korwa wetajense mujinde mbali ngamba wete ko bahiga na ndi bo tuzo ko dete gente to ke bikase bono to ke ndere bono to bwate ECD to gatwara primary to gatwara junior school oise ko weka ni gente ke koro na bokorange na bo the 3 levels of which are in the chikorete kuna chirebo lakini tu apate magana ma bone kinege to ke wenete go okanu mono kera umwalimu no yo tenenete kaire chimu chugote tiatenene na ina matuko wari go chimutwe abari mu abaje SS ngoji bare ko baba nene be school
Steven Nyarike Mbunde Ensoko TV e county ya Nyamira.
Arena ikuru ase county ya Nyamira tukotikira ase county ya Nyamira mukonyi bumuraiwe kiama kia Jubilee Daktari Fred Matiang'i ni amochirige tambo kirugi ya serikali koena na mashirika ya serikali guchia saba bantu bene ase nkwana ya yekurwa boye nkensemo ya Nyansionga nsemo ye bunge ya Burabu ime county ya Nyamira ekeraomerana n'abana inchi kuruge sakugia kuria niga kwanire obukurumi obugenderete kogendererwa na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Na pesa ilienda wapi? Kwa sababu tulikuwa tunalipa sisi tukiwa kwa serikali, tulikuwa tunalipa, imeenda wapi? Imeporwa. Sasa tukianza hiyo maneno, ukifikiria maneno kama hayo, alafu tuanze kusema ni kucheka tunacheka, tunaulizana maswali, sijui nani huyu ako huko, sijui huyu ni Mukisi, huyu nani, tutaendelea kuingia kwa shimo. Tutaendelea kupotea. Ule wizi umefanyika kwa nchi na wizi unafanyika katika nchi ya Kenya. Ni wizi ambao haujaonekana kwa historia ya nchi ya Kenya. Transfer of public assets, mali ya umma, inawekwa kwa mikono ya watu binafsi. Ndio hayo ulisikia dada yangu alikuwa anasema kuhusu Postal Corporation. Sio privatization, ni wizi wa mjana. Hayo makampuni mengine ukiyachunguza, ni viongozi wa nchi hii wameenda nje wakashirikiana na wakora wengine pale, wakaunda makampuni, wakaanza kujifanya ni makampuni ya nje, wanakuja kupora mali ya umma hapa Kenya. So the looting that is going on, ambayo unaona hii mambo tunaambiwa, kitu ya ajabu kama wizi huu unaonekana wazi, uuzaji wa Safaricom, au kila mtu anaona. Hivyo ndivyo nchi hii inaendeshwa na wizi. Yale ambayo yanafanyika kule Kuria, watu wanatolewa kwa mashamba yao. Wewe jiulize, na hii wananchi, tafadhali nawaomba, hii si mambo ya kucheza wakati huu. This is very serious business. Ukianza kuhamisha wananchi kutoka kwa mashamba yao, na mpango ni kuchukua hayo mashamba, kwa sababu nyinyi mnajua Wakuria underneath that land ni minerals, ama namna gani? Sasa mnatolewa hapo kwa sababu wale ambao wanachifanya huko wanataka kuchukua hayo mashamba, ni kwa sababu kuna minerals chini pale, ndio wanataka. Mambo ambayo yanafanyika pale Uitembe is criminal. I mean, the government is actually involved in criminal activity. That's what it is. So in a way you can say this is criminal government. You are brutalizing and terrorizing your own people. Sababu individuals wanataka kuiba hiyo mali ambayo iko huko na ni mali ya wananchi.
Gotigana ni kwani yo ya Daktari Fred Matiang'i wizara y'ikisemi imeyense nigo yabwatukira machibu yabarokiwa ba Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment KJSEA kurwachio visi cha Kenya National Examination Council ase nyumba ya mtihani aigaso mucho Nairobi. Koringana no waziri w'ikisemi Julius Ogamba machibu ayo nigare ayabarokiwe milioni ya yemo chilifu emia ya mona 30 chiminya 50 na kianda abwase aborokiwa chilifu chimia 5 nibira batano batatu chimia 5 na mona 30 bari abamurana boigo abaiseke nigo bare chilifu chimia 5 no yomo chimia 5 na 7 na kianda.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are releasing the 2025 KJSEA results for 1,130,459 learners, all of whom will be placed in appropriate pathways at senior school to lay the foundation for the pursuit of careers of their choice. Of the 1,130,459 learners who sat the 2025 KJSEA, 578,630 were male, while 551,829 were female, representing 51.19% and 48.81% of the total learners, respectively. Ladies and gentlemen, from the inception of the competency-based assessment, the reporting of learners' performance uses performance levels of exceeding expectation, meeting expectation, approaching expectation, and below expectation. Out of the 12 subjects offered at KJSEA, 7 subjects recorded a higher proportion of learners performing at meeting expectations and exceeding expectations. Female learners outperformed male learners in the proportion meeting and exceeding expectations in 10 subjects out of the 12 subjects. Of the 1,130,459 candidates who sat for the 2025 KJSEA, 59.09% have demonstrated potential to pursue the STEM pathway at senior school. 46.52% have demonstrated capacity to pursue the social science pathway, and 48.73% the arts and sports pathway. Learners will be placed to senior schools based on their performance and selected pathways, in line with the recommendations of the Presidential Working Party on Education Reform.
Asense mwende serikali wetero mu waziri w'ekisemi Julius Ogamba nigo ainikire mu serikali ne chikoena na osine chikone kimuna abaorokia be university nkwe gubarengeria yabo ye chibillion isano na ibiri isano na mokorengana no kwegwana babegete. Ogamba nigaya kwa naya chinga kekera na somo yega we 54 na enye bwo babekere gutwa abaorokiwa chilifu enye isano na bane be university ya Nairobi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we gather here today having just navigated a very challenging season. The recent industrial action in the university subsector was a moment of deep anxiety for the whole of the education sector and the nation at large. Our universities are the engine of our economy. And when that engine stalls, the whole nation shivers. The resolution to that strike that was signed on the 5th of November 2025, ending the 49-day strike, was a victory for dialogue. It was a commitment to restore trust, and I wish to announce here today that the government is committed to releasing the 2 tranches of the outstanding 7.7 billion as agreed, arising out of the arrears of the 2017-2021 CBA. I am aware that all the universities have since then moved fast to streamline the academic calendar to make up for the lost time, and that all learning and research activities are now running smoothly. And to assure every stakeholder that the government is determined to foster dialogue and consultation in the sector to avert industrial disputes. We are fast-tracking negotiations for the subsequent collective bargaining agreements and implementing robust monitoring systems to prevent future disruptions. Our goal is to ensure stability in all our learning institutions. Learning must be continuous, and the future of our learners and of our youth cannot be put on trial and suspended in any way every time there are these challenges.
Abantu bari bakwagacha chinyomba nigo baboriwe kubwatera ichiko nalyo ogukwa nabo igasesemo heria makwiri atanekiwe kubwatikana ne chinyomba kogwa okoboriwe kwo nigo kwarurwe no murayigwe kiombe kia AAK George Ndege ikigotenere tubwagachiwe chinyomba imeyense tomanyore ho musakyo ito Linet Nyambane no roboti urwase obwagari.
Ekiombe getenenerete obwagachi imeyense gya AAK, the Architectural Association of Kenya, kiabwatokire oroboti rumwaka bwechiribubere 2025 oruo rumanyekanete buna AAK Status of the Build Environment gukwana imeyo mucio Nairobi numurai bwe kiombekio George Ndege oyo oene kiribuna omuchando omonene ekiombekio kiabere kegwetera nomoroberio bugutaikiranigwa gwechinchera chekerero asebono aruro kuboria gochia asabo bisaba kurigereria enganeyo koimukia egetambukero kya bwangu.
Urbanization in Kenya, and of course most critical is development control and e-permitting, which as we report today is one of the biggest hurdles to professionalism or professionalizing the urbanization and the construction sector in Kenya. As we speak right now, majority of our counties are doing manual development control processes, and the few are doing the e-permitting, the electronic system. Out of the 4 of them are not currently operational, and our members are facing challenges. They're not able to submit projects. And because we believe that this is actually intentional, that it's a way of frustrating developers and at the same time pushing the agenda that the various officers in this development control office have a better solution. And this solution, of course, is always through facilitation, which is a pit of corruption that is happening right now.
Nigobono atebire kubwatekana no gutaikiranigwa kumoroberio oyo bwechinchera chekerero umanyekanite buna e-permitting system nigo aba engineer bagendrete gwetera obokongu ase okorwa obokoreri bwabo.
An association, our members are really suffering. They are in the thick of this storm, because once we go through the rigor of developing concept, understanding the design, giving our developer solution, the bit where the government is supposed to come in, that's the local government, and be able to push the process forward to construction, is becoming a bottleneck. And this bottleneck, we believe, could have been solved by the e-permitting systems, which AAK pushed to be developed from 10 years ago through the support of the World Bank. And we did, starting with Nairobi, we did Kiambu, Mombasa, Kisumu, and unfortunately, the other counties have not been able to take the next step, and strangling the progress of construction. Remember, for every building approval that is delayed, those are several families of fundis that are being put out of work.
Nabo oruko boria gochia ase ekiombegio koringa ori chinyomba gia National Building Inspectorate koba maiso erikwenekia imebasokano ekwenekiwa ase chinyomba chikwagachwa n'abantu basiria obugima bwabo tegochia kobaroro.
Yeah, so with the National Building Inspectorate has a very important mandate that yes, the whole process of building is quite long, and it starts off with the inception, or where the developer wants to put money and how they want to recoup their money. And of course, there's the issue of the need. But there's the whole process of building, there's the whole process of permitting and approvals, and then the whole process of construction. Then there's a whole process of maintenance and making sure that a building is not just done and then it's left to its own devices to be able to be habitable. Now, where the National Building Inspector comes in is at that level. And I don't think it necessarily when they're looking at a call like something has happened or something looks like it's going to fall. It should be a continuous process of assessing these buildings and being able to check their stability, being able to even check, for example, is the maintenance being done as per the requirements. Now, it's possible that they don't have capacity, because this requires inspectors, it requires money, they need to go around the country. I would say it's like having a police service that has no vehicles.
Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV, erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Arano roboti orwo rwa harganigwa na Linet Nyambane umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto nigole rara umuyiga wokuwabekere kigutwa abagereri beri chiko abwo bakiniro bakoreri bwabo kwikekerengo gia senior councils ase nyumbene ne yoburai wense igaso mucho Nairobi ase nkwana yaye nigaba bolire kurwa bakoreri bwabo ase nchira yobosera.
Across the Commonwealth, the rank of senior counsel is emblematic of the highest standards of legal craftsmanship and ethical clarity. In Kenya, as in India, South Africa, and the United Kingdom, among others. Elevation to this rank is rooted in merit, public confidence, the strict scrutiny. Only the most deserving are called to this honor. And this is such a day. To the 54 advocates being celebrated here today, you have demonstrated exceptional advocacy in our superior courts. You have shaped jurisprudence, enriched legal scholarship, mentored younger members of the bar, and served both the profession and society with admirable devotion. Your ascension is equally an affirmation of the confidence this nation places in you to be guardians of integrity, champions of justice, and stewards of ethical leadership. With this honor comes an even greater responsibility. You are called to safeguard our democracy, to strengthen our institutions of justice, to support necessary reforms, and to help widen the door of access to justice.
Your conferment of the rank of senior counsel is therefore not accidental. It reflects your years of ethical practice, intellectual rigor, and unwavering fidelity to the rule of law. This honor also imposes on you obligations, and by being inducted into the rank and dignity of senior counsel, you now step into a calling of leadership within the profession. The younger generation of lawyers will continue to look upon you for guidance, not only in the legal craftsmanship, but also in ethical conduct.
Mwancho morigelia mbia mona soko chore soko TV ase chinse merongibire na inye aserit kuna wikaraga buno tukwikira mwerio asa mujya ye chinsa isato cha robotuko ampio chekera chinsa 12 cheke mamino 18 Innocent Onyango amona Diana Demo asomurubiri obwen soko bwa kire asebono kukanira robotuko bya ireteriane Ishmael Mogere.